My name's Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. The reason you want to listen to me, I was the IRS. I have been doing this 42 years in tax defense, worked for IRS a decade. I've been on the national news many times. I was on News Nation last week. Go to my website at 777irs.com. You know, I spend a lot of time during the week answering people that call me has been ripped off by IRS tax relief companies. It's I don't know how many calls I get. People are crying. They've lost thousands of dollars. No one talks to them. Their case is taking 2 years. They get switched around by different people. I mean, I get everything. You have no idea. It's actually sad, and I put many alerts out there for people getting ripped off. So let me go over some of those so you know. So the first one that you should know is you're not talking to, usually when you call, you're speaking to a salesperson. They won't sound like a salesperson, and many people are lying to you. So you should ask the person you speak to, are they an attorney, a CPA, enrolled agent, or a former IRS agent? They should boldly tell you who they are and find out immediately if they're a salesperson. You can easily find out if they're licensed while they have them on the phone. Google the state and look for their license number. That'll shut 95% of the people down right away. You do not want to speak to a salesperson. They are reading from scripts. I want you to know that they're reading from scripts. You don't want to do that. Secondly, ask them if they will Zoom with you right this second. They should be able to send you a link right now, a link specifically to Google with them to see if they have a professional office, whether they sound professional, whether you get that really good feeling about them. The third thing is, given the facts of your case, if you owe IRS debt, for instance, if you looked at their financial statement, you should be able to they should be able to tell you within a minute what's going to happen to your case. If they're that good, current financials, I can tell you in 15 seconds what's going to happen to your case when I look at your financial statement. The fourth thing you want to do, ask them how many cases like yours that they have reviewed. How many cases and what are normal results? Number 5, are they going to be dealing with that person the whole time? How long have they been working there at that place? And usually when they're working at that place, what is the number of their supervisor if they can't get a hold of you? Those are 5 questions that you should ask them. The person or the people you want to speak to, once again, are attorneys, CPAs, former IRS agents, or enrolled agents. Those are the only people that can represent you in front of the IRS. Those are 5 main flags that you will have. You need to know if you're hiring a tax relief company. If it says sponsored ad, that means a person is paying for that position to see that company up on top. Every time you click, you're costing that person money. Once again, you need to know that this person is professional. For me, you want to make sure they're doing it for 10 years at least, and they should exactly be able to tell you the result and the process. Always ask to speak to their boss all the time, even when you're speaking first time. But don't fall for salespeople. You're going to get, most of the time, I shouldn't say all the time, most of the time you're going to get ripped off. Call me if you need me. I've been doing this 52 years. I'm one of the nation's experts in IRS tax relief. Today, I'm taking it easy without my coat, enjoying my alligator. Thank you for the subscription. I always give you the insight. I try to answer all people who ask me questions. Thank you.